Hi guys, welcome to a new video on Valo Teamwork, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage the provisioning engines for a template. First, what is a provisioning engine? A provisioning engine is a site design, for example, or a PnP template which is applied on top of the SharePoint sites which are created by Valo Teamwork. It was always possible to apply the PnP template, for example, but you had to dive into the template XMLs and add them by hand. In Teamwork 5.0, we used the management of those PnP templates to the user interface. Okay, you have to open Teamwork admin site, go to the templates tab, and then edit one of your templates. Scroll down to the provisioning group. Here you can select the site templates, and you can also include a PnP template. This means the site template or the PnP template will be applied on top of the SharePoint site which is created by this specific Teamwork template. Okay. Just select your site design and or select your PnP template. You can of course also upload one. To upload, choose the file, my template, add the file, and it's linked to this Teamwork template now. If you save this one and you create a new group of SharePoint site with Teamwork, then these two templates, the site design and the PnP template, are applied on top of your SharePoint site. Thank you for watching.